Grand Rising, beautiful souls. How is everyone doing on this beautiful day? Hope all is well. I've recently laid my father to rest. We are all just passing through on this planet to learn life lessons, and then we quickly go, move on to higher dimensions. All is well, all is truly well. Get out into nature. It's very peaceful and serene. It is where God is, in stillness, where it's quiet, no trouble, no problems of the world, just peace. I'm going to show you all how to ground yourself and suck out any negativity or trauma in your body through grounding, through the earth. I had to stop for a minute. One of those little ducks were looking at me. He was listening. All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to ground. There are negative ions that are under the earth. You place your feet on the earth, and it would pull out any sickness, any illness, any negativity out of your body. I'm going to start with using the trees, showing you all how to ground by hugging a tree. Then I'm going to move to the water. You can also ground by getting into the water or placing your feet in the water. And you can also place your feet on the grass and the soil, and it'll pull out any illness out of your body. All right, guys, stay tuned. We have to be like this tree, standing strong, rooted and grounded, able to withstand any storm. There is a school of fish. Do y'all see it? This water is so beautiful and clear. This is how to ground. You're going to place your feet in the water. The earth has negative ions, and it can pull any illness, trauma, sickness, disease out of your body by grounding. You can also ground by placing your feet on a tree or by hugging or touching a tree. The way to ground is by placing your feet on the grass and in the soil. Nature is so beautiful. Get out and ground and heal your body naturally. This is why it's so important to get out into nature. You can be healed without any medication, natural healing from the earth, from God. Everyone enjoy this beautiful day. Be blessed and abundant. Sending much love and light.